Hi. So, I recently was scrolling through the tool section online, looking through what's new, what's interesting, maybe something useful to buy, and I came across this thing. And for a moment I thought I went by mistake to the toy section, not the tool section. But no, actually, it's a tool. It's this thing, and I bought it. It's a Fieldmann FDS 10102A cordless screwdriver. And yeah, it looks like a toy gun. But the thing that makes it look like a toy gun is the interesting part about it. It has its quick loader rotary handle, which looks pretty interesting. If it works, if it's decent, I think it's a pretty good idea. So I wanted to test it, see how it works. I already tested the Fieldmann jigsaw before. It's sitting right there. Right there. It was pretty okay. So yeah, let's open it up. So here's what you get. I won't say it sounds powerful, but yeah. Here's the charger and the manual, as always. Put this aside. So shows the charging level. It's pretty much full. It's 2 bars actually, but okay. I have no idea how this quick change works actually, but hope we can figure it out. It has also the extension. Pretty good. I think it should rotate. Yep. So it has 2 positions. I'm pretty sure I had something similar when I was a kid. uh, here, I think it popped out bubbles or something like that. It looked very similar. But the quick change or the quick loader, I have no idea. Oh, that was slow on my end. I thought that this. Oh, this is interesting. So, comes out like this. Load it. This is interesting. You can basically, so I understand, either. No, you can't. Oh, you can. You can take the bit out, pull it back in, or put it in. Or you can do it like this. See? But yeah, like this. Then you take it out and reload it. Pretty interesting. I won't say it's seamless. It does catch in a bit, but overall, how many tools have quick change or quick loader systems? The Milwaukee doesn't have one, so yeah, overall, I think for a grab and go tool, that's pretty good. But it doesn't have a lot of options. Basically, only the very basic. How many slots there are? 6 bits plus the extension. So not a lot of variety. But for home use, I think it could be okay. So yeah, let's test it. How powerful is it? See better. This screw. Let's say this bit will be okay. With quite a lot of struggle, but it almost drove it in. It wasn't the smallest screw, but yeah, it wasn't also the biggest. I'll see if I have something smaller. This one is slightly shorter, I think. So let's try to test it with it. It's also for fun. Switch the position. So yeah, basically the same. So yeah, it depends on how powerful you need it. If you need to screw a computer or I don't know, something like that, I think it's pretty much okay. For 16 euros, I think. I'm not sure if you can find anything better, because basically the cheapest one overall, I think I saw was, I don't know, maybe 11, 12 euros or something like that. Maybe I'll look a bit more, but yeah. So in this thing you get the click holder system. Basically, you don't need to worry about the basic bits if you don't need anything specific. If you need the basic home use bits, I think you more or less have what you need here. Yeah, I don't know, for 16 euros, I think it's okay. For fun, we can test it against, just a moment. Against this thing. And now you're gonna tell me that this is not a fair play, because this is way more powerful, but price wise, this was I think 19.99 and this was 16, so basically €4 difference. You can choose between this thing and this thing. They do have different use cases because of the handle basically, and this is a bit smaller, but not so much. You look like that. It's smaller, but not as much. Also the quick change system. This didn't come with any bits. Yeah. Just for fun, I'll take the same bit out. It will budge. Let's take the same screw. The bit is not very good. I think it will use up in a couple of uses, but yeah, drove it in. No problem with that. So yeah, for me, if you gave me the choice, I'd pay €4 or dollars extra and get this thing because it's way more powerful. It has exchangeable batteries and so on. But if I need only light use, I don't know, for PC builds or electronics, maybe even, I don't know, fixing a picture to the wall or something like that, this could be enough. But I don't know, actually, for a picture, because I don't think you'll be able to drill with it, even if you get the hex shaped drill bits. But yeah, so it's pretty interesting. I like the I like the look of it. I haven't seen anything like it before. Maybe you have, but I've looked quite a lot. But this doesn't look ordinary, I'd say. So yeah, I actually have ordered already a couple more small electric screwdrivers that I wanted to test, and I want to compare them, how the power compares, how they compare to each other. Does the price matter, or do they all basically do the same? So if you're interested in that, follow along and subscribe so you don't miss it, because I'm gonna do some future tests with it, see how it holds, how it compares to other tools. So yeah, see you soon. Okay, bye.